Kansas City criminal defense attorney Greg Watt.
The Watt Law Firm.
Local defense lawyer Gregory Watt.
Greg Watt is a criminal defense attorney.
Attorney Watt.
Attorney Greg Watt.
Defense attorney Greg Watt.
Greg Watt with the Watt Law Firm.
Defense attorney Greg Watt of the Watt Law Firm in Kansas City. And he says by law, officers must have a search warrant except for in certain circumstances.
The most common exception you see in cases like this is what we call exigent circumstances. So if there is a crime that is being committed, the officer doesn't have to stop, go get a warrant. They can pursue the law enforcement activities and execute their duties accordingly.
I think there's going to be a lot of discussion about the state of mind of the officer and what the officer knew, what the officer didn't know. I think there's going to be a very, very strong examination of that.
But according to local defense lawyer Gregory Watt, it's not that easy to argue self-defense.
You have the right to use deadly force upon another human being, but you don't have the ultimate right just based upon any situation that you find yourself in. It's not a panacea. You can't just say, well, I stood my ground, somebody died as a result, so I'm going to walk away from this, without consequence.
Kyle told investigators the man ran in his direction in a threatening manner and attempted to grab his gun, which Kyle fired at least twice, seriously wounding the man.
You've got an issue of property, and then you've got an issue of protection of self. And so those are all mixed up in this one case. Whether or not someone feels as though they're facing imminent, serious physical injury and they do not have the ability to retreat. So imminent means it is pressed upon me. It is happening right now. I cannot back off. I cannot drive away. I cannot seek refuge somewhere. We are prepared to meet these accusations with a robust defense.
If you or a loved one has been charged with a crime, you have rights. Give us a call, 913-433-3849, or check us out at www.kcmetrodefense.com. That's www.kcmetrodefense.com.